you can rinse this whole thing with water. So you can definitely do that. That's why it says wet and dry. But just be careful with it. I would just rinse it off, just like the instructions say, but that's it. Something else you should know, this takes about an hour to charge up. It does come with a 2-year warranty, so that's a good thing about this. Now to open this up, just press here. You guys will see that. To fully clean this, you do have to go ahead, unlock this, and you just take everything out. I would clean it by hand first and then rinse it with water. I wouldn't just go on and rinse it with water right away because things get stuck there. So I would personally not recommend that. There is this side as well. You guys can just open that, close that. It is fairly light. And to charge this, it's very easy actually to charge this type of shaver. So we're gonna do that right now. So here's the cable that came with it. It is USB, and then this part goes to your shaver. So all you guys have to do is just plug it in there. So here we go. And then this end will go into your computer, or if you guys have a brick where you guys can just plug it in there, and there you go. A lot of people have outlets that have USB. That works as well. So you shouldn't really have an issue with that. It did not come, especially this one, does not come with a charger itself. So I personally have a few places to plug this in, but my computer is the closest thing at this moment. So I can just plug into USB anywhere on my computer. So I have this. And how do you know it's charging? It's gonna blink like so. So that's how you know that this is charging. So again, it takes about an hour to fully charge. You don't need to fully charge it before you use it for the first time. I would drain the battery a little bit more, then charge it up the whole way and do that cycle at least 3 times. Now, when it comes down to cleaning, I'm pretty disappointed that it didn't come with a brush or something. But again, what you guys never want to do if you do end up rinsing this is touching this with a towel to dry it up or anything like that. Just let them dry. So to open it up, just press there. And to fully clean it up, you guys can start here by cleaning this part up. Then the inside. To unlock this, just rotate it that way. And this will come out like so. Place that on the side. And then you guys will notice, and you guys can do this for every single part from inside here. You will take this out. See this? And you guys can actually take this apart and then just clean all of this. So that's how you guys can clean this up. If you ever need to remove this and replace them, you would do exactly this. You would just take the new ones, put them in, and then there you go. Usually whenever you guys need to change this, it's almost the same price usually to just get a new one of those when it's on promo. So just check out prices. But anyways, right now I'm just gonna put this back. So let's say it's all cleaned. Maybe you decide to rinse it as well, just to give it a nice clean, and you put it to dry. So you just place it somewhere to dry, somewhere flat to dry. A towel could be underneath it, but you don't want to rub the towel against this or even against the blades or anything like that. So once you've done that, you guys can just place these back. And once you place them back, you'll notice they rotate, so that's perfectly fine. You just put this like so. So just align it, basically. That's all you're doing, you're aligning it. And then you're gonna turn it the other way to lock it up. So I turned it this way to lock this up. So you shouldn't move. Once you place it down, just test each one. It's all secure. You're just pressing on it. And it's supposed to move like this. So that way you guys get a nice clean shave. And to turn it on for the very first time or whenever, press on it. It's supposed to sound like so. Don't be afraid of touching with your hand. Nothing's gonna happen. This is safe. And just go ahead and shave the way that you would normally shave. Just going like so until you're all done. You just turn that off. Now the pressure that you apply depends. I sometimes apply a little bit too much pressure, but it does take time to shave with these guys. If you guys have a beard already, definitely use this to trim it down. Once it's trimmed down, then you apply this to do a nice clean shave. And if you guys want to keep a mustache or anything like that, keep it clean, you can definitely use this. Same deal. To use that, you just press that. and then that would move. So I'm gonna turn that off. There you go. So it's very simple to use this. Now you guys could have got a card within the box that says that you guys can scan a QR code. That'll take you to a website to register this. And you do get 6 months of extra warranty from this, which could be worth it. But 2 years is good enough. That's about how long they last anyways. For me, especially. I tend to have problems with these guys just because they fall. I'm just not that careful. So the last one that I bought, it fell and this part broke. So now that every time I want to use it, I have to hold this down. It's very annoying, but that just happened. It was an accident, nothing I can do about it. Obviously warranties wouldn't cover that. Other than that, you guys will find that this has some grip here. This is all plastic, has grip back here as well. So you guys can get that nice clean shave. It's a very basic shaver. There's nothing fancy to it, but that's about it. Anyways, if you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.